How to set price alerts in Trading 212. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to keep track of stock prices without constantly checking your device in Trading 212, then setting up price alert is one of the easiest way to stay updated. First of all, open up the Trading 212 application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and choose the asset you want to track. I'm just going to select one of these assets over here. And now once you do that, on the right hand corner, you'll see this little clock icon at the top right. Just tap on that. And in order to set price alert, you must also be verified with the account. If you haven't done that yet, then you'll be asked to set up your account, verify your identity, and add funds to your account. After you tap on the watch icon, you will then be able to select the price condition and add your price level, and you'll be able to create a new alert. Setting a price alert is a perfect idea that helps you stay updated with the market without staring at charts all day. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.